Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn something that every tester in SDET must master, how to write a good test case. So many people just copy paste test cases, but if you really want to stand out, you must learn how to write them properly. So don't worry, I will explain step by step in the simplest possible way with an end-to-end example of a login test case. So if I say key points with example for a login test case. So now I will be going to give you 5 golden rules of writing a test case with our login test case example. So first one is like clarity and simplicity. So with a clarity and simplicity, like let's suppose I say a bad test case. So bad test case is something verify user authentication using valid credentials. So bad test case is verify user authentication using valid credentials. Fine. And a good test case is check if login works when correct username and password are entered. Check if login works when correct username and password is entered. So you will see one difference here. The second one is simple and crystal clear. Even a beginner, a very beginner tester can understand this. Second golden rule is test data is ready. Test data is ready. So for our login test, we need, for example, for our login test, we need, for example, username. So I'm just taking it as test user, and password as test@123. So if test data is not ready, your test case becomes useless. So always prepare it before writing. Fine. Then the third golden rule is preconditions. Preconditions are clear. So with precondition I mean what must already exist before we start. So for login the precondition is simple. User must already be registered in the system. Means sign up already would have been done. Without this, if the account does not exist, login will obviously going to fail. Now fourth golden rule is expected result is specific. With this I mean to say bad expected result is user should be logged in. Bad expected result is user should be logged in. And good expected result is after entering valid username and password, user should land on the dashboard page. With a welcome message. Fine. So the more specific you are, the easier is to decide whether the test passed or failed. Next golden rule is reusable and maintainable. So don't just hardcode data like, use username, for example. Don't hardcode data like this. Username Rahul 123 and password Rahul@123. So instead, link it with the test data file. Okay. That way, if tomorrow username changes, you don't need to rewrite the test case. You just update the data file. Perfect. So if I take now complete example for login test case. So here it is. So it would look like somewhat like this, like test case ID. For example, that is TC 001. Title, verify login with valid credentials. Fine. Then precondition. User must already be registered. Then test data. Like username as test user and password as test@123. And if we talk about these steps, so steps is, first step will be navigate to login page. Second step is enter valid username. Third one is enter valid password. Fourth one is click on the login button. Fine. And expected result is user should be redirected to the dashboard page. With a welcome message. Fine. So this is simple, clear, reusable and professional. So friends, these were the 5 key points with a real login test case example. Again, I am summarizing it. Clarity and simplicity. Test data should be ready. Preconditions should be clear. Expected result is specific. It should be reusable and maintainable. If you follow these, your test cases will always be top quality and any company will appreciate your work. I hope this helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for more practical videos that I will be explaining in a very simple way. And let's see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.